Most of us don't have an expensive prime lens, where the background bokeh is quite sharp like before and after edit of the sample shown here. So let me teach you how to do it. Generally, we blur the background from filter, blur, field blur. As you can see, it got blurred, but the problem starts here. You can see clearly these bokeh effects are not sharp at the edge. So what do we do now? Once again, let's go to filter, blur, field blur. Here you can see blur effects for further adjustment. By playing with these three options, we can get that bokeh. Increase the light bokeh until it shows these white round dots. $82 seems fine to me. Now we will adjust these light ranges in order to decrease the overexposure. As I bring them back together, you can see very well the exposure is being adjusted. $167 and $168 seems fine. Now by increasing the blur, the circles gets bigger and the circles are quite sharp. If you increase the blur more, you will find the circles got bigger, but it's kind of overlapped with each other, not so clear. So let me reduce it. 30 seems fine. Now hit OK. You can further enhance the bokeh. Go to filter, camera raw filter. Increase the clarity. Let me adjust the exposure. Decreasing the black a bit. Do what you feel appropriate for enhancing the blur. Let me increase the saturation. Seems fine to me. Hit OK. Now you see we created a professional looking bokeh. By comparing the two, you can see the difference. Let me show you another example with different image. Let's copy our background layer. Go to filter, blur, field blur. Let me increase the blur. By increasing the light bokeh, you can see the bokeh effect already. Now we have to deal with the highlight. What I found is that bringing them quite close together shows a better result. Just play with this to make more adjustments. A little bit blur. This seems good to me. Hit OK. Go to filter, Camera raw filter for further adjustment. Just play with the adjustment. Increase the clarity. This seems good. Hit OK. Look at the changes before and after. So that's how you get a professional bokeh in any kind of image. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to support my channel. We'll be back soon with another video.